Listen carefully. If you are not adopting this strategy, you are ignoring a huge number of customers. Also, losing a great amount of selling opportunities. It's like killing two birds with one stone. Hi there. Welcome to another video from Ecomclips. This is Tajid from Ecomclips, and with me, you are gonna take a journey to Amazon Virtual Bundles, which opens the door to offer multiple products under one listing without actually bundling them manually. So this video is gonna be very special for Amazon sellers. In this video, I'm gonna guide you through the process of setting up Amazon Virtual Bundles and also tell you everything you should know about it, like how it works, who is eligible, why it is important, and more crucial details. So do not miss the opportunity. What is Amazon Virtual Bundle? Amazon Virtual Bundle is a feature that lets you combine multiple products under a single listing. Suppose you are selling camera and tripod separately. Now you can offer these two different items combined under one deal for those customers who are interested in buying them together. On my screen, you can see a sample of a virtual bundle product on Amazon. Here we have three different products on offer. The primary product is Slumber Sleep and Go Set, complemented by two fitted sheets. One is small size and other one is a large size. This bundle presents a special offer where customers have the option to purchase these items separately. But by opting for the bundle, you can enjoy them together at a discounted price. So, what is the difference between virtual bundle and regular bundle product? Virtual product bundles are different from regular product bundles. On Amazon, you are combining products virtually from your virtual inventory. You do not need to put the actual products together or package them. Also, there is no extra FBA fee or shipping charge. So, why does Amazon have this tool? Amazon has billions of customers with varieties of shopping preference and behavior patterns. Some customers prefer to shop multiple products with a single deal. Believe it or not, in the real world, customers go wild for bundles, same as the virtual world of e-commerce. From the customer's point of view, it is cost-saving, convenient, and excitement of getting set of necessity. From seller's point of view, bundle is not just a good idea, it is an opportunity to increase your sales, make customer happy, stand out from the competition. So, if you have not tried bundle products, you are missing out on a great way to sell more and make your customers happy. On Amazon, this type of combined offers called Amazon Virtual Product Bundles. Strategies for slow-moving products. Bundling virtual products is a small tactic to clear out slow-moving inventory. Combining a less popular item with a high-selling counterpart that complements it. You can offer a discount and encourage sales. This strategy effectively boosts the movement of your slower items while benefiting from the popularity of the complementary product. So, who are eligible for bundles? Now, let's go over key requirements. There are two basic requirements. Number one, the products need to be a part of a brand enrolled in Amazon Brand Registry, and the sellers need to be internal to the brand too. If you want to learn more about brand registry, you can check this video by clicking this link. Number two, bundle products need to be shipping through Amazon FBA for fulfillment. The seller also needs to be an FBA account in good condition, and the products must be in new condition. Remember, the products cannot be a gift cards or an electronically delivered item like digital music, a video, or an ebook. When a customer orders bundle product, each product will be packed and delivered separately. There is no additional FBA or selling fees. Sellers do not need to pack products together or make any changes to their inventory. You do not need a new UPC code either. So, what are the rules and conditions? I will show you how to create your own virtual bundle step by step. Before that, you need to know few rules and regulations. First, the products need to be organized around your main product. Each bundle must contain at least 2 to 5 ASINs. Then each ASIN must be a viable on its own. You can include multiple units of one product under the same bundle. The price of your Amazon virtual bundle cannot be more than the combined price of those products. The price can be equal or less. With the same main product, you can create multiple virtual bundles. For example, you can create multiple bundles with the same camera combined with different camera lenses. Then, do not create bundle with the products from the same group. A virtual bundle cannot be a group of same product. Make sure that the products on your bundle are complementary and compatible. Now, how to create Amazon product bundles. Now you know the key requirements, rules and conditions for Amazon virtual bundles. Now, let's get to the part where I will show how to create one. If you meet the requirements for virtual bundle, you can access the tool. Now, let's start the process. From Amazon Seller Central, click the triple dash menu at top left corner. Now go to Brands, then select Virtual Bundles. Now from this page, you will create a new virtual bundle. Select Add Products. Now you can see your product catalog. Select the products that you want to add to your bundle. The first product you have added is gonna be the main product of your bundle. After adding products for your bundle, click Done Adding Products. Your selected products are visible here. You can see the quantity information over here. Customize the quantity if you want. Now enter the bundle's full title and short title. I recommend a brief and descriptive bundle that includes the name of your main product and additional products. Then put the bundle price according to your plan. Remember, your price needs to be equal or lower than the combined price for your products, which is displayed to the right. Then you need to fill bundle description and bullet points. Then put an optional SKU of your virtual bundle. Your description and bullet points should be the same format used for individual products. Make sure to highlight what's in your bundle. On the main image section, upload the main product image of your bundle. For additional images, you can select existing product image from below, or you can upload new images. You can put up to 8 images here, then click Save. Now move on the top right and hit Save and Publish. Your bundle has been submitted. Have a look in your inventory section. You will see the bundle products are now listed on your Amazon inventory. A new virtual bundle usually appears in the Amazon store within 24 hours. It will link the individual products in your bundle. If you need to update your existing bundle, go to Inventory, then click Manage All Inventory. Locate the bundle listed with other products and select it. You can update price, titles, description, bullet points, and images. But you do not able to update the products or change the SKU. Please remember that. So if you need to update those, just delete the bundle and recreate it. That's all for today. We do have more resources like this. You can visit our website ecomclips.com, which has a lot of cool things you want to check out to make sure you level up your Amazon strategy in 2024. If you want some more help, we can always help you out. We are a full-service e-commerce agency with more than 10 years of experience. Currently, we have more than 300 e-commerce experts. Together, we helped and have been managing thousands of Amazon choice and best-selling ranked products. You can get on a same-day appointment and talk to us about how we can use these strategies along with 50 other wonderful strategies as well to level up your account. So check out all these resources or give us a call today. Till then, take care, stay safe, see you soon.